Hey, Toby,
Hey, friend, what's
I
up?
need a favor.
What's the favor?
My account got hacked.
Wait, really? Which account?
Every account. Every single
Nah,
one.
No.
Gmail,
no,
Really?
PS4, Twitter,
nah, bro.
Damn.
Snapchat,
Nah.
even Uber. All of them.
Okay, hold on a second. What do you need from me?
I need me a new password for everything I use. Everything.
Don't tell me your password got stolen?
Yeah, I use the same one for everything I use. I can't believe they figured it out.
You mean password 123?
Can you help me or no?
All right, I'll see what I could do.
Can you also do it in 6 minutes?
Wait, why?
It's 8:54 and Game of Thrones is on soon.
Okay. Alright, so here's what I'll do for you. I'll build you a password generator using the Python programming language. So, to start out, let me see what I could do here. In 6 minutes, we can start out by just generating a bunch of different passwords. Maybe the most common passwords that people use. But instead of just using password 123, we can just make a whole list of them and then pick from them randomly. So here I have a bunch of pre-selected passwords in an array, and I'm going to create this function called generate password. And inside of it, all we have to do is just pick a random password out of the array at random. And then, here friend, you've got your new password.
Thank you, but nah, we can't use this. Everybody's gonna know what passwords I have. It's just, it makes it a little harder to get it, but you could just keep
What if I just
trying all
add
the most
100
common
to every new
passwords.
password
Like,
right at the end?
I can't use
Does
this.
that make it better?
No, I need something stronger. Something like you can't just guess. Please.
But you realize you're giving me a time limit of 6 minutes, so it's not a lot I could do here, but I'll try my best. Let's rethink this. Instead of just having just an array of random passwords that we pick from, you know what? Let's try to build a random password. So you see here, I have an array of the letters from A through Z, and it will add a new parameter into our generate password function called password length. And based on that length, we'll just pick from the letters at random from the array, and we'll generate a password of our own, which will likely be much stronger than any previous password you could have selected from that one array.
I like that. I like that a
I'm glad
lot.
to know that you like it. Since you do so much, we can add a little customization so that you can just enter your own password length. So if you want it to be 5 characters or 20 characters, the function will accommodate for that and give you the password that you want. So here I am, just testing out all the different kinds of passwords. Let's make this one 5 characters. Nice. Let's make this one 9 characters. Yep, it works. But the strongest passwords have a combination of letters, symbols, and other kinds of characters. So let's also add an array for symbols. And we'll just throw in some of the most common symbols that people use.
Dang, Toby, you're really doing me a real solid. Do you have a YouTube channel
Thanks
that I
for
can
asking,
subscribe
I
to?
sure do. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tobi the Great for more cool ones. So let me explain a bit of what's going on here. We have a function that takes in a password length, and the password starts out as an empty string of no characters. And these characters will be randomly selected from either our list of letters or our list of symbols. And how we'll do that will be something simple. We'll just check whether or not at every point the number of characters is a multiple of 2 or a multiple of 3. And if they are, we'll either add a new letter or a new symbol. As a matter of fact, we can even switch it up. Why not make it so that if the number's a multiple of 2 and 3, we can capitalize the letter? Make it even that much tougher to figure out. So yeah, I'm testing out these passwords and they look a little bit complicated. I don't know if any of you guys have passwords like this. I don't know if you do, friend, but it's a little too many symbols. How about we just reduce the frequency of symbols in our password? At least to just make it easier to remember. And this change is as simple as assigning every 5th character in our password to be a symbol. And we got it. And just like that, and think we just crossed the 5-minute mark since we started talking, so I'd call this a success. You're welcome, friend. Now you can use these
You still
passwords.
working on that thing? I kind of just made a different password on my own. I'm not using password 123. I'm using 123 password. They'll never see it coming.
Well, with that, not much I can say, but thank you guys for watching and tune in to the next video.
I wish that I could